Joseph, I'm excited about this new course on essential contract clauses. Can you give me an overview of what we'll be learning?
Absolutely, Linda. Did you know that poorly drafted contracts are a leading cause of business disputes? This course, Essential Contract Clauses, Simplified Guide to Key Terms, is designed to equip you with the knowledge to draft, review, and negotiate contracts effectively, reducing the risk of costly misunderstandings.
That sounds great. What's the structure of the course?
The course is divided into 7 sections, each focusing on critical aspects of contract clauses. Let's start with the first section, Foundation.
What will we cover in the foundation section?
In the Foundation section, you'll discover core agreement elements, fundamental terms, and conditions precedent clauses. For example, we'll explore how well-drafted conditions precedent clause can ensure obligations are only enforceable when specific conditions are met.
Got it. What comes next?
Next is performance standards and obligations. This section will help you master performance obligations, warranties, indemnification, and guarantees. Imagine understanding how to draft a warranty clause that assures product quality while protecting your business.
That's really important. What about the financial side of things?
The third section, Payment and Financial Terms, dives into payment schedules, liquidated damages, which predetermine compensation for breaches, and set-off clauses, allowing businesses to offset mutual debts. For example, we'll explore how liquidated damages clauses can protect businesses from financial losses in case of project delays.
How do we handle changes in the contract?
The fourth section, Term, Termination, and Default, will guide you through managing contract duration, termination conditions, and the implications of default. We'll look at real-world examples of how termination clauses can safeguard your interests if a contract needs to end prematurely.
What about risk management?
In the Liability and Risk Management section, you'll assess joint, several liability and limitation of liability clauses. These clauses help in mitigating risks and ensuring accountability. For instance, we'll discuss how limitation of liability clauses can cap the damages recoverable, protecting your business from excessive exposure.
And the legal side of things?
The sixth section, Legal Provisions and Governance, covers governing law, dispute resolution, force majeure, and other standard legal provisions. For example, we'll explore how a governing law clause can determine which jurisdiction's laws apply in case of a dispute, or how a dispute resolution clause can provide for arbitration to resolve conflicts efficiently.
How do we apply these clauses to specific scenarios?
The final section, Application to Specific Contract Types, teaches you how to apply the learned clauses to service-level agreements, SLAs, acceptance testing, delivery, escrow, exclusivity, and non-compete agreements. Imagine using these insights to draft comprehensive SLAs that clearly define service standards and remedies.
This course sounds comprehensive. What's the main takeaway for participants?
By the end of this course, participants will have the skills to draft, review, and negotiate key contract clauses effectively. You'll be well equipped to handle various business contexts with confidence, ensuring robust and enforceable agreements.
Thanks, Joseph. I'm looking forward to diving into each section.
You're welcome, Linda. It's going to be a valuable journey into mastering contract essentials. To summarize, you'll gain practical skills and insights for creating strong contracts. What aspect of contract clauses are you most excited to learn about? Let's get started.